Hey guys, it's Steve again from Internet City Computers in Detroit. Today we're going to show you something quick, just how to remove an LCD from a laptop. Most of the newer laptops nowadays, they have this two-way tape. It's kind of like a rubber adhesive tape, double-sided. And what you got to do is you got to find the edge. There's usually a little tab on there, and you got to pull it and stretch it very carefully so it doesn't break. And once you stretch it all the way down, it'll release the LCD screen. They're similar to those Scotch hooks you can hang on the wall at your house, hang a picture on, and then if you want to move it, you pull this rubberized two-sided tape that's underneath the hook, and then you can move the hook somewhere else and use the same tape to refasten it. Anyways, here we go. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, here is how you remove these screens on these laptops nowadays. They have this like rubber tape. Here's the tab right here, and sometimes it's at the top, sometimes it's at the bottom. You just grab it, and when you start pulling it, it stretches, and you got to be careful not to break it. Let's see if I can get a better shot in here. And then you just stretch it all the way down. I pull down so I don't break it. The ones at the top are a little bit easier, but you just keep pulling and it releases itself from the screen. And then when you get it all the way out, the screen just pops out. Just like that. And then that's what holds the screen in. And then the other side, we do the same thing. It's right there. If a laptop's a few years old, sometimes this tape is really brittle and it breaks. So just be careful. But grab the tape. I like it when it's at the top. It's a lot easier. This one, not too bad. Okay. And then just keep pulling. Oops. Yep, see, that one broke. So, I think I got enough of it out where I could reach behind it and grab it again. Anyways, so that's how you pull these screens out nowadays. Okay, and if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and come back for more Fix It Right. Until then, adios.